another. I missed another EAS. Dang, I missed an aerial flood watch, and now I missed a winter storm warning. Are you kidding me? Oh, there's winter storm watch too. Dang. Okay, I'm actually being serious. Just, are you kidding me? The winter storm. Yeah, and also we're supposed to have rain changing to ice tomorrow. Yeah, how I missed the EAS because I wasn't even hearing my radios because I was using my earbuds and watching the Weather Channel. And see, there's the view outside. It's right now raining. And hang on.
Chance of precipitation near 100%. Friday night, snow. Additional snow accumulation of 3 to 5 inches. Brisk and much colder with lows around 14. North winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Wind chill values as low as 1 below. Saturday, snow likely in the morning. Additional snow accumulation around an inch possible. Much colder with highs around 17. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. Wind chill values as low as 3 below.
That was awful.
Missing for 3 days. The death toll is now at 17. NBC's Gina Kim is in hard hit. With the latest.
I'm gonna go give you guys the view out from outside. So there's the view from outside.
The rescue effort is not easy.
Oh my God!
See, there we go. Oh,
jeez.
Oh, we are really close to hitting 5 to 8 inches.
In some cases,
We're having ice.
Surprised me was the
10 to
amount
25.
of debris that made it from 5 miles up.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this boring video. I'm really sorry that I missed the emergency alert system. This is SPCK 69 signing off.